Guess what? I've got something to show you that you need to see. Let's go. Feast your eyes on this sleek, stylish design. It's giving luxury without the luxury price tag. Speaking of price, it's a total win. High quality, low cost, and we love to see it. And wait till you see how versatile it is. Home, work, gifts, nailed it. It's practical, stylish, and just plain awesome. Get the full breakdown in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're always in the know. Catch you next time.